This is the Young Power 8-piece metric flex head ratcheting wrench set. Company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it arrived just like this. Inside of the box you are going to get all of the wrenches stored away in this nice canvas feeling roll-up bag. Easy to tie up and store. You can throw it in your tool bag, your toolbox, throw it on a shelf, and know that all of the wrenches are going to stay together in their set. Inside the pouch we get the metric flex head ratcheting wrenches in several of the most common sizes. We have from 9mm all the way up to 17mm minus the 16mm, no 16. That's going to give you a pretty good range of coverage. The really cool thing about these is the 180-degree movement. Super convenient for getting into tight spots. You now have all of these different angles that you can apply force from. Looking at the wrenches, they are made from CRV steel, a common alloy steel used to manufacture primarily high-strength hand tools like wrenches, sockets, ratchets. According to the company, the set meets the ANSI standards, and the nickel coating provides exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. Each of the wrenches in the ratchet set have a secure 12-point box end design with a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism, so there's only a 5-degree swing arc. That's going to be great in cramped areas where a regular wrench can't move as freely, like engine compartments, doing brake pads, all kinds of stuff. So there you go. This set would obviously be great for car repairs, household repairs, all the DIY stuff around the house, like putting furniture kits together or garden equipment like I have. Great to have for roadside emergencies. Easy enough to throw in the trunk or behind the seat. Very nice.